Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play eFootball with keyboard and mouse on mobile. While the game is primarily built for touch controls, you can achieve this with a few extra steps. You will need a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse, plus a special application to map your key presses to on-screen actions. This setup allows for a different, potentially more precise, control experience, offering a new way to enjoy your favorite football game. To begin, gather your essential tools, a Bluetooth keyboard and a Bluetooth mouse. These peripherals will connect wirelessly to your mobile device. Next, you will need to download a key mapper application from your device's app store. This software is critical for translating your physical key presses and mouse movements into the game's touch commands, bridging the gap between your hardware and the mobile game. Once your tools are ready, open your key mapper application and then launch eFootball. The mapper will allow you to overlay virtual touch points directly onto the game screen. You can then assign specific keyboard keys to these virtual buttons, such as passing, shooting, or tackling. For the mouse, you can configure its movements to control the camera or for more precise actions, giving you full command. To truly master playing eFootball with keyboard and mouse, experimentation is key. Try different key layouts to discover what feels most comfortable and efficient for you. Adjust your mouse sensitivity to achieve smooth and accurate camera control. Consistent practice will help you build muscle memory and become proficient with your new control scheme, ensuring a more enjoyable and competitive gaming experience on your mobile device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.